Okay. Well, let's walk. Do you know which way it is, though? Huh?
Okay, we'll be right here.
Okay, we're following you. You better know where you're going. You know? I'll get this over.
You see the Jenga blocks?
Oh, yeah.
Sure is fast.
You're trying to follow the directions on the... Okay.
I've got something important to say.
¿Qué vamos a hacer, vale? Tomar una foto con Ana. It's a good photo op right there.
Oh yeah, we should do that. So for all of you that are here all the time, drop a comment down below and let us know what are the must-dos. Obviously Rise of the Resistance, but what else? What things do you make sure and do every single time? Places that you eat every single time without fail. What are some of those things?
Why do we stop? Oh, no problem. Does anybody else have to go?
We like really done.
We are headed way over there.
Oh yeah, just head towards the tower.
Well, I guess we'll see. This way, Steph. How about we go through here? Oop. No, you're
Sorry.
fine.
I just lost some candy. Yeah, you guys told me to lead, and I'm leading the right way because that's what the sign says. Oh, is it this way?
You were going to go off that way.
No,
You were heading that way.
That's because he's going to the same direction.
Yes, but this is the easy way to go. Really?
It's that way, babe. No, it's not.
Really? So that giant tower is not what we're looking for?
Oh my god. Oh, there it is. Yes, it is. Hi, maybe this way. Okay, in my defense, this thing wasn't loaded right. My little blue dot was in the wrong place. In my defense, the blue dot is not in the right place.
So apparently the GPS satellites have conspired together against my daughter to get us lost. I think we'll just head right towards that giant tower. I think we'll be safe.
What I mean?
Yeah. Oh, and we need to get their bags too.
Okay.
I'll carry that one.
Oh, excited? Yes, I'm so excited. Oh, I've ridden this ride in 7 years.
Tend to want to eat where stuff smells good, and it smells pretty good right here. Okay, well, our girls are going to go have a blast on this while we find something to eat. Have fun. You got your phones?
Bye, here. No, you're going to have to take that. Bye. Because I already have that.
Yeah. All right, have fun. Hey, Steph, you got your phone?
Hey, Steph.
Text us when you're off.
Yeah.
Okay, well, they're going to go do that. My wife and I have differing feelings about dropping stuff or rides that drop up and down, so we will not be riding that right now. Okay, we're going to go try to find something to eat, and we'll be back in a little bit. So we're just taking a quick breather here, and my wife and I were just talking about how kind of we reminisce a little bit being here in this area at the park, even though we've never been here, because there's a lot of stuff that you'd see in Disney California Adventure, for example. Paradise Pier billboard, I'm not sure you can see that or not. Carthay Circle, just all the stuff that you'd see in that park, and so it's a little nostalgic, pretty cool. You know, we miss being in Disneyland, Disney California Adventure, but we really are enjoying our time here, which has been awesome. So I think we're just gonna try to find something for lunch, and we're just gonna enjoy the rest of the afternoon. We've ridden, I think, the bulk of the stuff that we really, really wanted to make sure that we rode. If we get a chance to ride it again, we'll do it. So we'll bring you along with us for any of those parts, and we'll see you a little bit later. Yeah, let's go here. I'm just gonna poke around in some shops here until we eat. All right. Oh, cool. Yes, I love Hawaiian shirts. Oh, that's a cool one too. Holy crap! Yeah, I don't like it that much. Oh, it's because it's a Tommy Bahama.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, it does feel a little soft though.
Someone wants to wait for the entire day. Why wouldn't you let them?
So, what are we going to do? So, how long will it be until we, heat up?
Tons of backpacks. Lots of ears.
These are the Make-A-Wish ones. I'd like to find out if like any money that they make off of these, if they go to Make-A-Wish or what.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's go see.
I need to know when I say you can't.
Got a quick question.
Okay.
Are you guys doing delivery?
Unfortunately, the only thing we're offering it takes 2 weeks to get there. The 65 is based on the full price of the items that you buy, not the actual items themselves.
All right.
It can actually work together. Now, if you decide anything that you buy, you decide to ship it online,
It says Walt Disney World on it too. $7.
Oh, Mickey's Rubik's Cube. I love Rubik's Cubes. That would be kind of cool to have. $20. This is actually really cool.
Yeah, now we can go get our Leia and Han Solo shirts.
Really cool Halloween shirt.
Yeah.
I like that shirt.
Yeah, me too.
I wouldn't mind trying to break my Toy Story record of $166.
If it's the same brand, it's probably going to be similar.
They even have a polo shirt, but I don't know that I like that. I like this.
How much?
60. I think that's what we paid for your last one.
Yeah, for the other one in Disney Springs.
That is. Oh, they only have.
It's kind of a
I
cool,
like this cool looking. Oh.
it's kind of a cool backpack. You might have to replace the one you're wearing with this, or something possibly. Since
Is it a
it's
backpack?
Disney World.
Oh, it is.
Is it? Yeah, we'll keep looking.
It is smaller than the one I'm carrying, so that would be kind of
Right.
nice.
Lots of little toys and knickknacks and things.
Before we leave, I do want to get a Disney.
No, I know.
But
Well, we'll get several things, yeah, I know.
I just want
Yeah, we tend to like to wait until the evening before we start hemorrhaging money, so... Oh, that's a cool shirt. I like that a lot,
I
actually.
like this one and I like this one.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. And both of those are pretty slick.
I even like this retro looking one. That one's nice too.
That's the beanies. Didn't really get cold enough for them, but still kind of cool.
Drinking some water because I can feel a headache.
Alright. So real quickly, we just wanted to kind of give you a gander at what our lunch ended up being. So we are where? We're at Rosie's All-American Cafe, right? Okay.
Hi. There you go.
3
That's
burgers,
Haley's.
nuggets of fries, drinks, and all of it
How was
pretty
it?
relatively
It
inexpensive.
was
So
so much better than the one in California. Are you
I'll let you
kidding
know.
me? Okay, so
Alright, well, we had to come back to the bathroom again. Sorry for the rushed review of lunch, but I wanted to just say that it was a good lunch, you know? I mean, it's, you know, it's burgers and fries and nuggets and stuff, and it's what you'd expect. Nothing, you know, out of this world or anything like that. But I will say, you know, by, you know, Disney standards, when it comes to, like, money-wise, it's actually, you know, fairly reasonable. We got 4 meals plus 4 drinks, including 2 bottled waters, a large Powerade and a regular sized Coke, all of that for about 60 bucks. You know, at the end of the day, again, you know, that's about what you're going to spend on a meal for 4 people getting, you know, Grubhubbed or whatever to your house. So at the end of the day, it's pretty comparable. Would I eat there again? Sure. You know, we're usually always looking for food that's not going to break the bank or not going to be crazy expensive. So, but overall, it was a good lunch. So we'll get back to recording a few more things. I think we're going to try to go and hit the I forget the name of it, the rock and roll roller coaster here in a little bit. And then after we do that, I think we're just going to meander throughout the park for the rest of the day. I have a surprise coming up for me on for my birthday, which is really cool. And we'll get to that in a little bit. So talk to you in a bit.